dear student, today I provide one more questions, cash flow questions. I give in you in a PDF format. From the following in balance sheet of the VK Limited, prepare the cash flow statement. Operating activities only. This is the questions only on operating activities. In a question, share capital, reserve and surplus, non-profit, long-term borrowing, 6% debenture, trade payable, creditors, bills payables, and other current liabilities given in the balance sheet. Assets, fixed assets, investment, inventory, trade receiver, cash and cash equivalent. Additional information: a piece of machinery costing 5,000 on which depreciation of rupees 2,000 has been charged was sold for rupees 1,000. Depreciation charged during the year, the rupees was 17,000. The new debentures has been issued on 1st of August. So cash flow in this क्वेश्चन हमको कैश फ्लो कैलकुलेट करना ओनली ऑन ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटीज. सो हम कैश फ्लो निकालते, आंसर आ जाएगा दिस वन इज अ कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट. ओके, तो ये क्या आ गया हमारा कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट हो गया. जस्ट वेट, जरा इसको सही कर लें. तो कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट हो गया हमारा. स्टेटमेंट ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटीज ही कैलकुलेट करना है. सो हमको सिर्फ ओनली वन ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी. फर्स्ट हम लेंगे सबसे पहले नेट प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स एंड एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी आइटम. सो नेट प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स एंड एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी आइटम्स हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं. इधर आ जाएगा नेट प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स एंड एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी आइटम. ओके, सो सबसे फर्स्ट टेकिंग अ डिफरेंस P&L, या हम बोलेंगे कितना प्रॉफिट है. सो गिवन इन द P&L balance, opening balance is 30,000, closing balance is 60,000. So 60,000 minus 30,000, it means 30,000 net profit earned during the year. Okay, now further informations. Plant and machinery charge depreciation during the year. So हम लिख देंगे depreciation 17,000. एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन में गिवन है बेटा. इंटरेस्ट डिवेंचर्स और फर्दर डिवेंचर इंटरेस्ट 60,000 डिवेंचर्स इज द ओपनिंग बैलेंस एंड 80,000 इज द क्लोजिंग बैलेंस. इट मीन 20,000 डिवेंचर इशूड एंड इशूड डिवेंचर ऑन 1st of August. सो डेप्रिसिएशन कितना होगा 1st of August में. 1st of August में जो 60,000 है यहाँ हम वर्किंग नोट बना देंगे. वर्किंग नोट 60,000 into rate of interest is the 6%. We charge the complete year and 20 additions. This one is a 6% debentures. And August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April. So मार्च तक का हमको चार्ज करना है. इट मीन्स मंथ कितने मंथ हो जाएंगे बोलिए? 6 मंथ. ओके, सो 6 month depreciation 6 by 12. We are getting 3,600. 0 0 6 is a 36 and again 0 0 0. This one is a 2. This one is a 3. 3 6 is a 3 2 is a 600. Okay, so total depreciation is a total depreciation is it right? When we issue the next debenture 1st of August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. It means sorry, this one is a 6 7 8 month. हम इसको राइट कर ले. दिस वन इज 8 month. नाउ इसको फर्दर सही 0 12 2 times this one is a 4 times 800, this one is a, then interest is equal to 4400. So interest on debenture, interest on debenture is a 4400 we charge, so we add back this amount, that's why we write this one, interest and debentures. We sold the machine, a piece of machine, additional information given in the questions, a piece of machine costing 5,000, which was depreciated 2,000. It means a book value of machine is a 3,000, has been charged, was sold for rupees 1,000. 3,000 book values of the assets sold at the rate of rupees 1,000. It means we bear a loss on sale of this machine on a 2,000. So loss on sale of machinery amount is a 2,000. This one is a operating, financing, investing nature's loss, and so that's why we add back, because this amount is depreciated on a, plan P&L accounts. Further informations, long-term borrowing is done, current liabilities effect. It means टोटल लगाइए, नेट ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट बिफोर चेंज इन वर्किंग कैपिटल हो जाएगा 30,000, 17, 47, 44 and 200, 6,400 ऐड कर देंगे. So how we are getting this amount is a 53,400. 53,400 is the operating profit before change in working capital. What is this? This one is a operating profit before working capital change. Now we are doing the change in working capital. And trade payable, creditors shows 30,000. add and less, हम two types of बांट लेते हमको, and less. See, creditors increase, it means we add back creditors our current liabilities. Creditor amount is a 5,000. Further, bills payable decrease, it means bills payable less. This one is a bills payable amount is a 30,000 to reduce the 10,000. It means 20,000 is the exact amount of the reductions of the bills payable. Other current liabilities increase 45,000. So either that times other current liabilities add back is a 40,000. This one is a minus amount. Further additional informations, 20. Inventory increase, this one is a less. Inventory increase 15,000, so 15,000 is a less amount. And then trade receivable is also increased. By a 5,000. That's it, complete, done questions. Now we add and less. This one is a 53, 5, 5, 10, 10 minus 20 less, plus minus 10, 20, 25 and 5, 30, 30 less हो जाएगा. So we shows the cash and cash equivalent amount is a 20. 10,000 ऐड हो जाएगा, 63 हो जाएगा, and less हो जाएगा 20 and 22 and 5. This one is a 30, 20 and 20, 40. 40 less हो जाएगा, 30 and 30 less हो जाएगा. So this amount shows in your questions 23,400. So 23,400 is your answer. Now question is done. Thank you.